How to transfer your cloud storage to a new camera. First, please go to Me page. Tap Cloud Storage. Choose a camera to transfer. Tap Device. Choose a package. Tap Transfer to another device. Transfer the package to a new camera. Tap Transfer. Confirm transfer. Transfer complete. Check the cloud storage packages of the old and new devices. You can see that the cloud storage packages have been successfully transferred. If you have issues in transferring, please contact our technical support.